Hello friends, in today's episode we learn how to choose the best LED grow lights for your plants, whether for growing ornamental plants or for growing vegetables and flowering plants completely indoors. Coming up. Before we start, please make sure you are subscribed to this channel along with the bell button. Well, there are so many plant grow lights available in the market, and choosing the best one can be a really tough job. So then how do you choose the right LED grow light to grow plants indoors? Well, there are many important factors to consider while choosing the LED lights. Let's split this into 5 sections, and please follow this video till the end. We'll try to keep it as concise and simple as possible without bothering you with too much physics. Well, number 1. The purpose of buying a plant grow light. A grow light or plant light is simply an artificial light source to stimulate plant growth by emitting a light appropriate for photosynthesis. This light spectrum is similar to that of sun. Grow lights are used for horticulture, indoor gardening, plant propagation from cuttings, seed germinations, indoor food production, especially for those zones which do not receive adequate sunlight. Then indoor hydroponic gardening, and also to grow aquatic plants. Well, these are some of the cheaper options you can find online on Amazon. Most of these are cheap products without any warranty or proper specifications. If you want to grow indoor plants that need very less amount of light, then you can use these options. But at your own risk, as there is no warranty and you won't know how long they'll last. The cost of these ranges anywhere from $5 for a small 5-watt bulb and $30 for this type of model. But the light intensity and the quality of photons they emit is too low, and you may require multiple number of lights, that too kept very close to the plants, which is practically difficult. The best option is to invest on a good quality, reliable grow light like at least this TS1000 grow light from Mars Hydro Company. It's a very reliable company and into this LED grow light business since 9 years. They have a lot of products and models of LED grow lights and even grow tents for different uses. You can check their website mars-hydro.com. I have linked that in the description below. This TS1000 model setup costs around $200 for this powerful 150 watt light, including this beautifully designed large grow tent. You can find links to these products in the description below. Well, now let's move on to the next important factor in choosing your grow light. That is on number 2, light intensity. This is the most important factor. It simply means the amount of light a bulb emits out. We'll not go into the physics or science of this, but to decide on this, check out the manufacturer's recommended footprint to know the area in square feet covered by this light. For example, this TS1000 model covers a 3 feet by 3 feet in bloom stage and 4 feet by 4 feet in the vegetative stage, with a distance of about 18 inches and 24 inches from the light source respectively. If you know a bit of physics, you should also look into the ppf values, par chart values and the ppe values given by the manufacturer to decide on the light intensity. We'll not go deep into this physics now. Few more tips on this. The light is most intense at the middle of the light source and less intense at the peripheries. Seedlings and young plants require cooler light intensities than the vegetative and blooming plants. So this can be achieved by either increasing the distance of these from the light source or placing the seedlings and younger plants at the peripheral areas. Then on number 3, color spectrum. Make sure you pick the correct spectrum depending on which stage your plant is in, like the vegetative stage or the blooming stage, or a full cycle of growth from the seedling to the harvesting stage. There are 2 types of spectrums for LED lights: targeted spectrum and the broad spectrum. More blue spectrum is better for veg state, red is better for flowering stage, and some fixtures have a tunable spectrum like red only or blue only or stuff like that. This Mars Hydro TS1000 is a broad spectrum light which works perfectly from the seedling stage to the harvest stage. You only need to adjust the distance using the ratchet mechanism provided. You can look at these multicolor LEDs. This is actually very bright, though in camera it may not appear that much bright. This one also got a dimmer screw right here. You can dim this further depending on your needs. Then the fourth factor is wattage, or the electrical power measured in watts. This actually does not determine the intensity or the quality of light. This only gives you a general idea on how powerful your LED grow light is. The model number like TS1000 does not mean it is 1000 watts. Make sure you do not misinterpret this number. This Mars Hydro light is about 150 watts. One thing you need to know here is how many watts are required for the area in square foot coverage. Generally, 30 to 50 watt is required for a 1 foot by 1 foot area of coverage, like about 30 watt or even lesser for vegetative stage or indoor plants, and about 50 watt per square foot for flowering plants, that is blooming stage. Then the fifth factor is warranty. 99% LED lights from good companies will never have any problem, and they have a very high lifespan of at least about 50,000 hours of usage. But still, go for the company that provides a warranty of at least 1 or 2 years. Mars Hydro offers a 3-year extensive warranty on every grow light they sell. That's really good. You can use discount code GARDENTIPS to avail a discount on their website marshydro.com. Link is provided in the description below. So there you have it, folks. Please like, share and comment below with your queries and feedback. Consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Happy gardening.